The Forestry and Woodworking School in Karlovac has a long tradition of education in forestry, wood processing, design, and meteorology. But times have changed. Enrollment rates are down, opportunities for hands-on learning are fewer, and graduates face limited prospects for employment. To overcome these challenges, the school embarked on an Erasmus Plus adventure. For 30 students, this meant packing their bags for Austria and Spain. Classrooms were replaced with workshops, farms, laboratories, design studios, and open spaces. In real professional settings, students gained practical experience and put their skills to the test. Inclusion was at the heart of the project. 11 students with diverse experiences, whether from rural areas, refugee backgrounds, or facing challenges such as learning difficulties or anxiety, were supported to take part. Female students in traditionally male-dominated professions were especially encouraged to join, carving a path for others to follow. And they brought back more than just memories. Together with their teachers, they developed new learning materials and introduced modern teaching methods. This hands-on approach helped students become more active participants in the learning process. So, what did the students have to say? Over 90% reported gaining new or improved practical skills. Around 86% said the experience increased their chances of finding employment. Nearly 90% revealed a boost in confidence, independence, and a stronger sense of responsibility. And many returned with a renewed sense of motivation for their chosen field and school activities. From new skills to greater confidence, from stronger teaching to a more inclusive school community, the experience of the Forestry and Woodworking School in Karlovac shows how Erasmus Plus can turn challenges into opportunities. Through its funding and inclusion mechanisms, the program ensures that participation is within everyone's reach. And for schools and organizations seeking ideas or inspiration, the Salto Resource Center for Inclusion and Diversity in Education and Training offers resources and examples to help bring inclusion to life.